Today, we are all getting together to make sure that we all agree on our direction and our team goal. It's like planning for a road trip. We are making sure that everyone knows the direction, who is doing what, and how we can help each other along the way. Now, this way, we are all moving forward together and reach the same place. Hello. Welcome back to 101 Day in the Life of a Super Boss. Now, on day one, you start the year by setting direction, setting goals, and drafting a clear, inspiring vision for the year. Today is day two. Now, we focus on team meeting for goal alignment. Now, in order to do that, there are 4 parts, right, to conduct a team meeting. So let me just share with you the 4 parts. Number 1 is about preparation. So in preparation, you define your clear objective, right? You also gather data. So you collect relevant data, information on the company goals, the resources, the finance, etc. Thirdly, on preparation, you set the agenda. It's agenda setting. You prepare a structured agenda with time or location for each topic to keep the meeting focused, right? Now, before you go on to the next thing, you have what we call a pre-meeting communication. So you send the agenda to the team in advance along with any document that you want them to read ahead of time so that they can come prepared. Second part is actually conducting the meeting. So in conducting the meeting, you have to open your remark with a motivational, positive tone. You got to review the company's objective, clearly outline the company vision, the mission, and the objective of what we want to discuss. So in also the conducting of the meeting, you need to have to present your goal, right? What is your goal? Present the current team's goal. And then you need to have a discussion, right? You need to have open discussion. Encourage an open discussion on this goal, inviting feedback, suggestion, and any idea on how they can be refined or improved. And I suggest also a breakout session where the team can be divided into smaller groups to discuss specific goals and strategy. And then you can reconvene again to share your insight. You can also refine your goal so that you can get feedback. So the third thing is to have action, right? Action plan development, because no point just talking and planning. Develop a clear action plan for achieving those goals. You got to assign responsibility. Who is responsible for what? And most important thing, you have to set deadline. Now, not every company have unlimited resources. So in the meeting, should also have what we call resources assessment. Discuss the resources needed to achieve the goal. Whether it's manpower, whether it's money, whether it's talent, etc. Ensuring the team that what it needs to succeed is there. Then you need a commitment. Have each team member verbally commit to their role in achieving the goal so that you can have what we call accountability. Then you need to have what we call engagement interactive tools. I suggest, in the meeting, you have visual aid, you got interactive tool, goal setting software to make the process engaging. Now, you also need acknowledgement. That means to say that you need to recognize the contribution and achievement of the team member so that you can reinforce their importance to the team success. I also suggest, having what we call inspiration story. Share success story in and without the company to inspire and illustrate what alignment and achievement can look like. Finally, you need to follow up with meeting minutes and regular check-in on the scheduled follow-up meeting to have a feedback mechanism. Along the way, you might want to make adjustment. Need to make adjustment to the plan, adjustment to the strategy, adjustment to the resources, adjustment to even the budget. Now what I have done is that I have actually got a very detailed PDF which you can download for a guide to a step-by-step on how to conduct a team goal alignment meeting. This is the PDF, right? This is a PDF, it's a 2-page PDF on how to conduct team meeting for goal alignment, right? So I've left the link below where you can download for this document. Now, I just want to end in conclusion. You need to wrap up your meeting with a light-hearted, encouraging closing. Now remember that we are a team. We are a team not just because we work together. We are a team because we respect, trust, and care for each other. The goal that we set are our guiding star. Like the GPS, they will lead us through thick and thin. Now if we ever find ourselves facing a steep hill, let's remember it is always less daunting when we are climbing it together. So as a super boss, you can't just do everything yourself. Your team need to own the direction. Your team need to own the goal and the vision. It is the power of our combined effort. So let's go out there and let's turn this goal into our greatest adventure yet. So Super Boss and your team, you will be unstoppable. Now, I want to turn the spotlight on all of you that are watching this video. How do you ensure everyone on your team is moving in the same direction? So I'd like you to share your strategy, your challenges, or a success story in the comment below. Let's learn from each other. Now, if you have a question or needed advice on goal alignment in your team, drop question below. Make sure that you like this video by clicking the like below. And if you find that this is helpful, share with your team or your network, and follow us for more insight into building a cohesive and driven team. Remember, a goal well set and well defined is halfway met. So until the next time, let's keep aligning our action with our ambition and watch our collective effort move mountain. So this is Richard Tan signing off. I wish you health, wealth, and happiness in your life till we meet again in the next episode.